Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to start our unit number 2, class 4, subject English A, unit number 2, the lion and the mouse. Page number 15. One day a mouse went out to find something to eat. He ran carelessly. Carelessly means without care. Through some tall grass, he ran into a fierce lion. Fierce lion means dangerous, khofnak. The lion caught the mouse. Caught mean pakad lena. He held him tightly, very strongly, and would not let him go. Please let me go, Mr. Lion, said the mouse. One day I will help you. The lion laughed. How could a little mouse, little means small, help a big lion? He questioned a mouse that how could a little mouse help a big lion? He thought mean thinking or idea. Very well, he said, I will let you go, but you must more carefully. More carefully means more care. The mouse was very grateful. Grateful means thankful. Thank you, he said. You are very kind. Important points. One day a mouse went out to find something to eat. Find means search. He ran carelessly through some tall grass. He held him tightly. They're used for a mouse. The lion. He held him tightly and would not let him go. The lion laughed. How could a little mouse help a big lion? I will let you go, but you must walk more carefully. The mouse was very grateful, means thankful. Thank you, he said. You are very kind. Here are your new words and their meanings. Find, search, carelessly, without care, fierce, dangerous, little, small, thought means thinking or idea, carefully, taking care or pay attention, grateful, thankful. Here is the activity number 1 which you have to perform in your copies and also learn it. Fill in the blanks. One day a dash went out to find something. One day a mouse went out to find something. Second one is the dash caught the mouse. Lion. Third one, the lion dashed. The lion laughed. Fourth one, you must walk more dash. You must walk more carefully. Fifth one, the mouse was very dash. The mouse was very grateful. Here is the activity number 2 which you have to perform in your homework copies. Learn and write the words meaning and also make sentences of these words in your homework copies. Okay students, this is your today's lesson. I hope that you understood it. I will see you guys in my next video lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed.